I recently bought this posture corrector that I kept seeing everywhere mentioned online, so I thought I'd give it a try. This is the XXL version of the Vortalex Neo 2, which I got for my brother because he is struggling with his posture. Let's go try it out on him. I just got you this posture corrector because you've been complaining about your posture. Wear it for a few days and let me know how it feels, okay?
Yes, let's do it.
1 week later.
So, how was it? What do you think about it? Honestly, the first 2 days it was uncomfortable, but I guess it's supposed to feel like that so it can pull your shoulders back. However, I've noticed that I actually feel much better. My back pain stopped and I don't slouch as much anymore even when I'm not wearing it. I'm not saying it magically fixes everything overnight, but for me it made a pretty noticeable difference pretty fast. Well, I guess my brother approves. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos like this in the future.